Alright guys, my name is Kweku Ifa from Anix Labs. If you're watching this video now, then I want to believe you're very much aware that the video is connected to a well-structured, culturally friendly tutorial on the Anix website. If you don't know that yet, I'll urge you to check it out with other amazing tutorials from local African community. So in this video, we are simply going to look at the PIR motion sensor, what it is, what it is not, and how to hook it up and how it works and everything. So PIR means passive infrared, and what the passive is trying to mean is that the sensor doesn't emit any infrared signals but rather reads infrared signals. One good thing you should note about the PIR sensor is that it does not measure the levels of infrared signals in the atmosphere. What I mean is it cannot tell you the amount of infrared signals in its range of operation, but rather it detects the changes in infrared signals in its range of vision. Since humans and most animals emit some sort of infrared signatures, PIR is mostly used in home and industrial automations to detect the presence and movement of human beings and animals in and around the place. Okay, so now you can see that this particular HCSR502 model used in this project has 3 pins. Obviously VCC and ground will be one of them, and the last one, which will be the output pin. It is very important to know that the output of the PIR is a digital signal, which means we are only going to read a 1 and a 0. A 1 when something is detected and a 0 when nothing is detected. So in this circuit, the output has been hooked to pin 2, and then what else? There is also a buzzer here. We've hooked a buzzer to pin 5, and we've hooked 2 LEDs, this red and then the blue one, to pin 6 and pin 7. So the logic behind this is that when we detect something with the PIR, or when the PIR detects something in its range of vision, we're going to toggle the red LED on, and also the buzzer will also go off, and then that will be like some sort of alarm. But when there is nothing detected, the blue LED is going to stay on. So let's go ahead and see a demonstration of how the PIR sensor works. So since I recorded a video myself and I'm a human being, I obviously had to stabilize myself so as not to disturb the sensor. As you can see, that's the sensor right there and the 2 LEDs, and it gets triggered even with the least movement that I made while making the video. And it also works perfectly even in broad daylight. So guys, don't forget to access the full tutorial of this project and the codes, and also find other wonderful, culturally friendly tech and robotics content from the Anix community. And please don't forget to also like and subscribe this channel. Stay tuned for more and more tech and robotics videos. Okay, bye bye and have a nice day.